May I request to commence the proceedings, my Lord? May I read the authorization issued by the Honorable Governor received as Arif Muhammad Khan, Governor of Kerala, order dated 29th October 2024. By virtue of the provision of Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Arif Muhammad Khan, the Governor of Kerala, do hereby appoint Shri Justice Nitin Madhukar Jamtar, Chief Justice, High Court of Kerala, to administer the oath or affirmation in the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule of the Constitution of India to Shri Parameswara Panicker Krishna Kumar, Shri Kodassery Veliyath Madom Jayakumar, Shri Muralee Krishna Shankaramoole, Shri Jobin Sebastian, and Shri Pandikkaran Varadaraja lyer Balakrishnan as additional judges in the High Court of Kerala before they enter upon their respective offices. Signed, Arif Muhammad Khan. Now, may I request Shri Parameswara Panicker Krishna Kumar to occupy the seat to take the oath of office from the Honorable the Chief Justice. Now, may I read the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable President of India. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Parameswara Panicker Krishna Kumar to be an additional judge of the Kerala High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 28th day of October in the year 2024, 6th Kartika 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.
I,
Parameswara Panicker Krishna Kumar,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I request Shri Kodassery Veliyath Madom Jayakumar to occupy the seat to take the oath of office. May I read the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable President of India as received. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Kodassery Veliyath Madom Jayakumar to be an additional judge of the Kerala High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 28th day of October in the year 2024, 6th Kartika 1946 Saka in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.
I, Kodassery Veliyath, Madom, Jayakumar,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
having been appointed as additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the
That-
Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability and knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Now, may I request Shri Krishna Shankaramoole to occupy the seat to take the oath of office. Now, may I read the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable President of India as received. By virtue of the power vested in me by clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Krishna Shankaramoole to be an additional judge of the Kerala High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 28th day of October in the year 2024, 6th Kartika 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.
I,
Muralee Krishna Shankaramoole,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Now, may I request Shri Jobin Sebastian to occupy the seat to take the oath of office. Now, may I read the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable President of India as received. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Jobin Sebastian to be an additional judge of the Kerala High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 28th day of October, in the year 2024, 6th Kartika, 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.
I,
Jobin Sebastian,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I now request Shri Pandikkaran Varadaraja Balakrishnan to occupy the seat to take the oath of office. May I now read the warrant of appointment issued by the Honorable President of India as received. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Pandikkaran Varadaraja Balakrishnan to be an additional judge of the Kerala High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 28th day of October in the year 2024, 6th Kartika, 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.
I,
Pandikkaran Varadaraja Balakrishnan,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
having been appointed additional judge of the High Court of Kerala,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
The Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Mr. Justice Nitin Jamda, Honorable Mr. Justice P. Krishna Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice K.V. Jayakumar, Honorable Mr. Justice Muralee Krishna S., Honorable Mr. Justice Jobin Sebastian, Honorable Mr. Justice P.V. Balakrishnan, the Honorable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, the President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, the Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, President Kerala High Court Senior Advocates Association, the President Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers Kerala High Court Unit, law officers of the state, Deputy Solicitor General, Senior Central Standing Council Taxes and other law officers of the central government, learned senior advocates, esteemed fellow members of the bar, Registrar General, Registrars and staff of the High Court, staff of the Advocate General's Office, advocate clerks, family members of Honorable Mr. Justice P. Krishna Kumar, Justice K.V. Jayakumar, Mr. Justice Muralee Krishna, Mr. Justice Jobin Sebastian and Mr. Justice P.V. Balakrishnan, all other dignitaries joining online, ladies and gentlemen, all my lords who have just been sworn in as judges of this honorable court are being elevated after more than a decade of your experience in the district judiciary as directly selected district judges. Before such selection to the district judiciary, all of you are part of the noble profession of lawyering, having successfully steered through its rough course for more than a decade. I am for certain that this rich experience of yours, first at the bar and then at the bench, will resourcefully reinforce the qualitative judicial acumen of this honorable court and beneficially endure to the advantage of the bar and the litigant public alike. For two of my lords, Justice P. Krishna Kumar and Justice P.V. Balakrishnan, it's a return to this august bar, of which they were once part of in black robes, though in a different capacity. One among my lords, Justice P. Krishna Kumar, would have been sworn in exactly a year before on 25/10/2023, had it not been for the much criticized executive tinkering of collegium decisions. Though a cliche, I may say better late than never, for we have manifold instances of repeatedly reiterate recommendations of Supreme Court Collegium regarding the appointments to constitutional courts gathering dust at the annals of the Union Executive for no tenable reason whatsoever. My Lord Justice P. Krishna Kumar was born on 25/5/1975 at Vandanam in Alappuzha district as one among the three children of late Shri G. Parameswara Panicker, who was employed as a central excise officer, and Srimati Indira Panicker, a homemaker. You had your schooling at Sri Devi Vilasa Upper Primary School, Nirkunam, and SNV TTTI Kakkalam. You passed pre-degree from ST College Alappuzha and later completed 5-year LLB course in flying colours from the Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. I am told that, my lord, during your college days, though exemplarily performed in academics, was not exclusively immersed in the curriculum. You were very much involved in the interclass student platforms and extracurricular activities. Your friends at the college still recall your passion for Malayalam literature, best exemplified by your outstanding choice of questions and queries in the interview you had for the college magazine with Sri M.T. Vasudevan Nair, the living legend and literature par excellence. After completing new law in 1997, and after the then prevalent pre-enrollment training, my lord started practice in the various courts at the District Court Center at Alappuzha as junior colleague to Advocate A.M. Ashraf. Your systematic and consistent hard work in the profession paid, and you soon became a much sought-after lawyer in Alappuzha. From 2010 onwards, you began appearing in matters before this honorable court. In 2012, my lord was selected for appointment directly as a district judge after qualifying the Kerala Higher Judicial Exam with first rank. You commenced your career as a district judge on 1/12/2012 on being appointed as the additional district and sessions judge 2 and additional motor accidents claims tribunal 2, Kollam. You later officiated as additional district judge 6 and additional motor accidents claims tribunal, Thiruvananthapuram, presiding officer of the tribunal for local self-government institutions at Thiruvananthapuram. Additional District and Session Judge 2, Thiruvananthapuram. Additional District and Session Judge 1, Thiruvananthapuram. Special Judge SPE, CBI 2 and NIA cases, Ernakulam. Principal District and Sessions Judge Kollam and Principal District and Sessions Judge Thiruvananthapuram. As the Principal District Judge Thiruvananthapuram, you also functioned as the Chairman of the Administrative Committee of Shri Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. In 2017, my Lord participated as India's representative in International Judicial Conference held in San Francisco, United States of America, on being nominated by the Honorable Supreme Court. You became a selection grade district judge with effect from 1/12/2017. You joined the registry of this Honorable Court as Registrar District Judiciary on 25/1/2021. On 1/1/2022, you were appointed as the Registrar General of this Honorable Court and continued as such till elevation. My Lord married to Advocate Shalini N, a member of this bar, whom you befriended as a fellow classmate at the Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram, and have been blessed with 3 children, K. Akash, studying at Ulcer, Mohali, and K. Niranjan, K. Nilanjana, who are 11th standard students at Bhavans Vidya Mandir, Ilamakkara. My Lord's brother, Dr. P. Venugopal, is the head of Department of Pulmonary Medicine at Government Medical College, Kottayam. Srimati P. Srilata is your sister. My Lord, Justice K.V. Jayakumar was born on 21/5/1973 at Chalakudi in Thrissur district to late Haridas Karta and K.V. Bhagirathi. My Lord had schooling at Government East High School, Chalakudi, and MAM High School, Koratti. You completed your pre-degree and also graduated in Commerce from Panampalli Memorial Government College, Chalakudi. You secured a LLB from Government Law College, Thrissur. My Lord started practice in the year 1998 at the various courts at District Center, Thrissur, as junior colleague to your paternal uncle, Advocate Somasundaran Gata, a doyen of the Thrissur bar. Your industry, coupled with your passion for the profession, soon made you a well-known lawyer among the members of the bar and the litigant public alike. My Lord, strive for excellence, saw you being selected for appointment directly as a district judge in the year 2012. You began your career as a district judge on 1/12/2012. On being appointed as the Additional District and Sessions Judge 1 and Motor Accidents Claim Tribunal, Talassery, you later officiated as Additional District Judge 2 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Talassery, Additional District Judge 5 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Palakkad, Enquiry Commissioner and Special Judge for Vigilance Cases, Kozhikode, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Talassery, and Principal District and Sessions Judge, Kollam. You became a selection grade district judge with effect from 1/12/2017. On 1/1/2022, you were appointed as the Registrar Vigilance of this Honorable Court and continued as such till elevation. My Lord is married to Srimati Krishna, a homemaker, and has been blessed with 2 daughters, Amrita, a law student, and Sneha, a higher secondary student. My Lord Justice Muralee Krishna was born on 24/5/1976 as the son of late Shri Gangadhara Bhatt and Srimati Usha Bhatt at Kajangad, Kasaragod. You completed school education at Durga Higher Secondary School, Kajangad, and graduated in arts from Nehru Arts and Science College, Kajangad. You secured your LLB from SDM Law College, Mangalore. My Lord started practice as an advocate in the various courts at Kasaragod district as junior to Advocate P.V.K. Nair, a well-known civil lawyer. You burned the midnight oil for excelling in the profession, and your efforts soon made you a lawyer to be reckoned with in the Kasaragod bar. On qualifying the Kerala Higher Judicial Examination as a topper, my Lord was directly appointed as a district judge in the year 2014. You commenced your judicial career on 10/3/2014 upon being appointed as the Additional District and Sessions Judge 4 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Kozhikode. You later officiated as Additional District Judge 4 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Palakkad, Additional District Judge 1 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Palakkad, Principal District and Sessions Judge Manjeri, and Principal District and Sessions Judge, Kozhikode. You became a selection grade district judge with effect from 1/3/2019. My Lord is married to Srimati Archana, and has been blessed with a daughter, Akshari, and a son, Avanish. Your sister, Srimati Bharati S., is also in the district judiciary and is presently the additional district judge at Alappuzha. My Lord Justice Jobin Sebastian was born on 27/4/1975 as the son of Sri M.D. Sebastian and Srimati Gracie of Mangalathil House at Neelur Pala, Kottayam district. You had your schooling at St. Joseph's English Medium School, Neelur. You secured your pre-degree from St. Joseph's College, Moolamattam, and LLB from Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. My Lord started practicing as an advocate in the district court at Todupuzha as junior to Advocate K.T. Thomas. Through sheer hard work, you began commanding substantial practice in various courts at Todupuzha and Kottayam. On qualifying the Kerala Higher Judicial Examination, my Lord was directly appointed as a district judge in the year 2014. You commenced your judicial career on 10/3/2014 upon being appointed as Additional District and Sessions Judge 5 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Thiruvananthapuram. You later officiated as Additional Sessions Judge for the trial of cases relating to atrocities against women and children, Thiruvananthapuram. Additional District Judge 1, Panicker. Inquiry Commissioner and Special Judge for Vigilance Cases, Muvattuzha. Principal District and Sessions Judge Thalassery and Principal District and Sessions Judge Alappuzha. You became a selection grade district judge with effect from 1/3/2019. On 4/4/2024, you were appointed as the Registrar Judiciary of this Honorable Court and continued as such till elevation. My Lord is married to Srimati Dahlia and has been blessed with a son, Joseph, and two daughters, Teresa and Elizabeth. My Lord Justice P.B. Balakrishnan was born on 23/3/1975 as the son of Shri Varadaraja Iyer, retired district judge, and Srimati Papa. Though a native of Pavarati in Thrissur district, you were born at Chennai. My Lord had schooling at St. Mary's School, Ashok Nagar, Chennai, NSS School, Mancheri, St. Joseph's School, Thalassery, and Model Boys High School, Thrissur. You secured your pre-degree from St. Albert's College, Ernakulam, and LLB from Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. My Lord also postgraduated in law from Cochin University of Science and Technology. A former member of this august bar, my Lord practiced before this honorable court as well as in all courts in the district court center at Ernakulam. As associate of Advocate Jacob Mirikan, Advocates Mangot Ramakrishnan and Dinesh Matthew Mirikan were his senior colleagues in the office. Your exceptional performance as a young lawyer is a matter known to many in this august hall, and we had occasion to watch you as a brilliant arguing counsel from close quarters. In 2014, my Lord was directly appointed as a district judge in the Kerala State Higher Judicial Service. You commenced your judicial career on 10/3/2014 upon being appointed as the Additional District and Sessions Judge 7 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Thiruvananthapuram. You later officiated as Special Judge, Thiruvananthapuram, Additional District Judge 4 and Additional Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal, Kozhikode, Additional District Judge 1, Panicker, Principal District and Sessions Judge Kasaragod, and Principal District and Sessions Judge Thiruvananthapuram. You became a selection grade district judge with effect from 10/3/2019. As Principal District Judge Thiruvananthapuram, you also functioned as the Chairman of the Administrative Committee of Shri Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Thiruvananthapuram. My Lord is married to Srimati Aishwarya and has been blessed with a daughter, Gayatri, and a son, Tarun. All my lords have had a demonstrable history of rendering justice as judges of the district judiciary in a passionately impassionate manner, never being swayed by public perceptions. I am sure that all of you, with your proven legal intuition and manifest judicial consciousness, will continue to opulently contribute to the justice dispensation system in the state for the decade to come and beyond. My lords, I share the joy of this momentous occasion with my lords' family members, for whom this day will be treasured in their memories forever. On behalf of the entire lawyer fraternity of the state, I felicitate and wish my lords all the best in the judicial career. May my lords continue to have the strength and courage to discharge the solemn judicial duties. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Honorable Mr. Justice Nitin Jamda, Chief Justice, Justice P. Krishna Kumar, Justice K.V. Jayakumar, Justice S. Muralee Krishna, Justice Jobin Sebastian, Justice P.V. Balakrishnan, Judges of this Honorable Court, former Judges of this Honorable Court, the Advocate General, the Director General of Prosecution, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, State Attorney, Secretary and Executive Committee members of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, respected senior advocates, Coordinator, High Court Mediation Center, the Registrar General, Registrars and staffs of this court, law officers of the state and the central government, family and friends of the newly sworn in judges, advocate clerks, and my colleagues at bar, my brothers and sisters. I, on behalf of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, welcome the newly appointed judges and wish them all the good wishes and prayers of the members of the association. With the swearing in that has elevated 5 judicial officers, this honorable court has almost touched its full strength. No other high court in this country with similar strength is functioning on its full strength like that of this honorable court. This also means that we have to be at war with backlog of cases and ensure justice reaches people faster than any state in the country. And when I mean we, I take it as a collective responsibility of the bar and the bench. Nothing can be more demoralizing than waiting for a warrant of appointment once the collegium has made a recommendation. The Kerala High Court Advocates Association had taken up the issue with the Honorable Minister of Law, and the association is happy that the Honorable Law Minister did oblige the bar. The Kerala High Court Advocates Association took up the matter not because it affected the bar, but because the association perceived the inherent injustice in the act itself, and it is the bar that has to stand up against any injustice and not wait until the injustice starts affecting us. The delay also gave me an ample opportunity to interact with Justice Krishna Kumar. He has always been courteous to the advocates and his decisions were always balanced. We only hope that he continues doing so as a judge of this honorable court. As a principal district judge, Justice Krishna Kumar used to have academic committees which work to enhance the knowledge of judges on various subject matters. The bar strongly believes that even judges need continuous training and updation. Small steps like these bring about huge qualitative difference to the judicial institution and enhances its image amongst the people on whose faith the institution survives. Justice Jayakumar is one of the most humble person I have interacted with, and I believe that this one quality will go a long way in managing his court. Justice Muralee Krishnan is a man of few words, and he speaks always through his judgments. He always excelled as an administrator. Justice Jobin Sebastian surprised the bar when, during his posting at Veliyath, when he openly sought the assistance of the bar in dealing with civil matters, a field he was not much exposed to. The bar cooperated and he picked up the subject matter, and this incident will remind each one of us that a courtroom is also a classroom where both the judges and advocates learn every day. Having worked in the United Nations and dealing with diplomats on an everyday basis, I am certain that Justice Jobin Sebastian is one of the finest diplomats. Justice Balakrishnan, with his wealth of experience, is known for his crisis management. His situational awareness always ensures a solution for every problem that is brought before him. Of the 5 judicial officers who have sworn in today, 3 of them already have an idea of the way the system runs in this honorable court. All 3 of them bring with them a wealth of experience on the administrative side of this honorable court, and the bar hopes that this will help us plug the loopholes in the system and make the judicial institution run smoother and run faster. When judicial officers are elevated as judges of this honorable court, their function remains the same, and the only difference is in the effect of their orders. Judgments passed by this honorable court applies in rem throughout the state. With the wealth of experience each one of you have gained in the district judiciary, here is an opportunity of bringing about positive changes to the lives of people and impacting society through your judgments. In the words of Honorable Supreme Court, the very reason for the existence of judges is for the service of the litigants. Unlike the district judiciary, functioning as a High Court judge always bring in a lot of highlight and focus on your everyday conduct and acts. In the new world ruled by social media, as judges you will have to have absolute control over your words and deeds. Each one of you were elevated on the strength of your performance as district judges. Each one of you faced adversities, but none of you stopped. And your elevation today sends out a clear signal that failure is not about falling down, but it is all about not getting up. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice P. Krishna Kumar for the reply speech.
My Lord, the Chief Justice, my sister and brother judges, the Advocate General, the President of the High Court Advocate Association, and all distinguished well-wishers gathered here, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for the kind sentiments expressed on this momentous occasion in my life. As I reflect on my journey, I realize that the advocate's profession was my initial passion, but the enduring influence of my parents, the late G. Parameswara Panicker and Indira Panicker, led me to this sanctum of justice. I am forever indebted to my father and mother for their tireless efforts and sacrifices that have given my life meaning and purpose. My brother, Dr. Venugopal, and sister, Srimati Srilada, have guided my moral compass. My wife, Advocate Shalini, is more than just a life partner. She is my alter ego. My judicial career is built on the foundation of her sacrifices, relinquishing her own law practice. My children, Akash, Niranjan, and Nilanjana, are my secret source of inspiration. In my legal career, I owe a profound debt of gratitude to my senior, Advocate A.M. Ashraf Alapura, whose paternal guidance and nurturing care were integral to my professional growth. I also acknowledge the invaluable contributions of Advocate K.S. Hariharaputran, the late Advocate P. Surendran Nair, Advocate P. Umashankar, Advocate Nizam Aziz Seth Alapura, and Advocate C. Pratapachandran Pilla Kollam, who enriched my academic pursuits and legal understanding. My career as a member of the district judiciary was really challenging but equally fulfilling. The guidance and mentoring of Honorable Justice Hema, former judge, helped me a lot during my formative years as a judge. Sri T.K. Madhu, former district judge, also immensely supported me during that time. I will forever cherish every moment I spent in the district judiciary. Initially, I was very hesitant to join the High Court registry, but now I look back with satisfaction. During my early interactions with the former Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Honorable Justice Manikumar, I was struck by the shocking disparity in the state budget allocation. That is, only 0.4% was designated to the state judiciary, while the remaining 99.6% was allocated to the other two pillars of the governance. Thus, to address this disparity, together with my esteemed colleague, Mr. P.J. Vincent, and other officers of the registry, we have worked tirelessly since then. Now I feel proud to have been a member of the High Court registry that assisted the High Court in gaining infrastructure projects worth 1,127 crores for the district judiciary alone, apart from dozens of other projects in the last 3 years. Similarly, the state judiciary further received 40% of its last 32 years cumulative central funding during these 3 years. I am truly humbled to occupy this seat, bewildered by the thoughts of the stalwarts who adorned this chair before me. I am profoundly grateful to all the constitutional functionaries involved in my appointment as a judge of this distinguished institution. Whatever little I have learned in my journey, whether as a lawyer or a judge, I owe it to the 4 bars: Alapura, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram, and Ernakulam. As the old saying goes, we gather 1/4 of our knowledge from our gurus, 1/4 from our colleagues, 1/4 from our experience, and 1/4 by ourselves. My gurus and colleagues have done their part exceedingly well, but I fear my cup is still empty. I look up to this bar to guide and support me in the days ahead. The oath of allegiance undertaken by each judge is a sacred promise to the nation and its people. This is the second time I have had the honor of being administered an oath by a Chief Justice of this court. I have only one promise to make. Until this moment, I have always held myself accountable to every word of the oath administered to me by the then Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Srimati Manjula Chellur, while I was sworn in as a district judge. I will continue to uphold that commitment, come what may. Thank you.
Now, may I request Honorable Mr. Justice K.V. Jayakumar to deliver the reply speech.
The Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Nitin Jamdar, and esteemed sister and brother judges, former judges, learned Advocate General, President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, law officers of the Central and State, learned senior advocates, Chairman of Bar Council of Kerala, President of the Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, esteemed members of Bar, the registrars, officers of the Kerala Judicial Academy, Kelsa and Mediation Center, dear judicial officers, staff, advocates, mediators, advocate clerks, friends, relatives, ladies and gentlemen. Let me thank Learned Advocate General and Shri Balakrishnan Kurup and Learned President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Shri Yashwant Shenoy, for warm welcome extended to me and for their kind words of appreciation. First of all, I would like to bow my head before the God Almighty for the blessings showered on me. I am deeply indebted to the collegium of this court consisting of Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, Honorable Mr. Justice Muhammad Mustaq, and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Jayashankaran Nambiar for recommending my name for elevation. May I thank the collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court for reposing faith and confidence in me. I am grateful to my parents for nurturing me and for instilling in me the virtues and values of human life and for molding me as a good human being. Both of my parents were school teachers. I am sure that my father, late M. Haridas Karta, is blessing me on this occasion from the heavenly abode. My mother, Srimati K.V. Bhagirathi, is here to bless me on this occasion. I may express my deep gratitude to my father-in-law, Sri Krishna Kaimal, and my mother-in-law, Sri Srimati Premalada, for their proper guidance and support. My wife, Srimati Vidya Krishnan, is a pillar of support to me and my success and all spheres of my life. My elder daughter, Amrita, is pursuing her LLB degree in Sri Narayana Law College, Putota, and my younger daughter, Sneha, is studying in 11th standard in Kshetra Praveshana Memorial School, Putota. They never made me any complaint to me about their hardships they faced with the change of schools in every 3 years consequent to my transfer. My brothers, Sri Prabhakaran Tamban, Sri Krishna Kumar, my sister, Srimati Jalajakumari, and my sister-in-law, Srimati Sushila, are here on this occasion to bless me. I enrolled as an advocate on 25/1/1998 and started practice with my paternal uncle, late Advocate M. Somasundaran Karta. My uncle taught me the basic lessons of civil law and the art of advocacy. At that time, my senior was one of the stalwarts in civil law in Thrissur Bar Association. I still remember that the very first day of my practice, my senior entrusted a file to me and asked me to conduct the trial of that case. I may express my sincere gratitude to my senior counsel for imparting proper guidance and support to build up my career in law. At this juncture, I may express my deep gratitude to the senior counsel, colleagues, and friends of Thrissur Bar Association. On the occasion, I have to thank my teachers right from MAM High School, Koratti, Panampalli Memorial Government College, Chalakudi, and Government Law College, Thrissur. I may express my profound gratitude to the judicial officers and staff with whom I have worked and the members of legal profession who assisted me in discharging my official duties diligently. I may acknowledge with gratitude the full support extended to me by the registrars and staff of the High Court, especially my staff and police officers of the Vigilance Cell. May I gratefully acknowledge the blessings of everybody who have joined this function physically as well as virtually. I am conscious of the great responsibilities placed on my shoulders, and I assure that I will do my best to meet the demands of this noble office, and I will do justice to the oath I have taken. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I request Honorable Mr. Justice S. Muralee to deliver the reply speech.
Honorable Mr. Justice Nithin Jamda, the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Honorable brother and sister judges, Honorable former judges of this court, Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, Director General of Prosecution, Additional Director General of Prosecution, State Attorney, Chairman of Bar Council of Kerala, Law Officers of Central and State, President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, President of the Senior Advocates Association, President of the Kerala Women Lawyers Federation, Registrars and other officers of the Registry, Director and other Directors of the Kerala Judicial Academy, other judicial officers of this District Judiciary, staff members of the Honorable High Court and District Judiciary, senior and junior lawyers, advocate clerks, family members, ladies and gentlemen. I express my sincere gratitude for the words spoken about me and for the warm welcome extended to me on this important occasion. I thank Honorable Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, Honorable Justice Muhammad Mustaq and Honorable Justice A.K. Jayashankaran Nambiar, the members of the Collegium of this Honorable Court, for the confidence reposed in me. I thank the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court and the consulting judges of the Honorable Supreme Court for accepting the recommendation of this Honorable Court. On this occasion of assuming office of the Constitutional Court, I am fully conscious about the responsibility of the Judge of the High Court and also the expectations of the legal community and the society. I am not a person born with a silver spoon, but my father, who was an agriculturist in a small village of the northern end district of Kerala, and my mother, who is a homemaker, brought up their 3 children, including myself, in a cultured manner by giving importance to our education. They guided us in the right path. After the untimely death of my father, while I was studying in 6th standard, my mother took the responsibility of the family onto her shoulders and brought up all 3 of us with the help of my maternal grandfather, Shri Vishnu Bhatt. Without the hard work and sternness of my mother, I would not have reached where I am today. I am sure that today my father, late Gangadhar Bhatt, is witnessing this occasion and showering his blessings on me from heaven. After completion of my matriculation, I selected science stream with the plan to pursue medical studies. But meanwhile, my elder sister Bharati, who is presently working as an additional district judge at Alappuzha, joined for law, and that inspired me also to join for LLB. I can say with clarity that she is my mentor and initial guru in legal profession. I joined in SDM Law College, Mangalore in the year 1993. I remember with great humility my teachers in the law college who have helped me a lot to understand the nuances of law. My professor, Dr. P.D. Sebastian, who taught me various law subjects and later became the principal of SDM Law College, is present in this hall to bless me on this occasion. I am grateful to my wife, Srimati Archana, who has been with me and stood beside me in my best and worst. I thank my children, Akshari and Avanish, who are able to understand the responsibility of the judicial officer and cope up with my official work, which extends to my residence also. I remember my guru, late Advocate P.V.K. Nair, a senior lawyer of Malabar under whom I started my practice. He guided me in the initial days of my practice as a lawyer. I received brotherly affection and guidance like a guru from Advocate Satish Kumar, the son of Advocate P.V.K. Nair. When I decided to set up an independent office, I am fortunate to have associated with Advocate A. Manikandan. He gave all support to me when I had to keep away from the office to prepare for judicial service examination. I take this opportunity to thank my sister Vidya, an engineer in USA, who is also the strength of our family. I thank my brother-in-laws, Dr. Raj and Anil Kumar Yogi, nieces Mukunda Priya, Ananya and Anika for their support rendered to me. I thank my father-in-law, Shri N.K. Bhatt, and mother-in-law, Uma Shankari, for giving all support to me when I decided to select the career of judicial officer, leaving the profession of advocacy. On this occasion, I remember the senior and junior lawyers of my parent bar, Hosdur, lawyers and prosecutors of Kozhikode, Palakkad, and Manjeri, wherein I worked as additional district judge and in the capacity of district judge, and the advocate clerks, court staff, and my fellow judicial officers who helped me a lot in discharging my duty fearlessly and with ease. Today, I am taking a new responsibility, praying for the blessings of God and my well-wishers. I seek your support and guidance in discharging my duties efficiently and to uphold the oath I have taken. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I now invite Honorable Mr. Justice Jobin Sebastian for the reply speech.
Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, esteemed sister and brother judges, respected former judges, learned Advocate General, Director General of Prosecution, President of the Kerala High Court Advocate Association, Chairman Bar Council of Kerala, President of the Kerala High Court Senior Advocate Association, President Kerala Federation of Women Lawyers, Deputy Solicitor General of India, law officers of the central and state government, learned senior advocates, esteemed members of the bar, registrars of the High Court, staff members of the High Court, advocate clerks, friends and relatives, and ladies and gentlemen. I begin by offering profound gratitude to Almighty God, who has graciously bestowed upon me the noble privilege of serving as a judge in this revered institution. My childhood dream was to become a teacher, but I chose this legal profession on the persuasion of my father. Today's accomplishment would not have been possible without the unwavering support, guidance, and unconditional love of my father, Shri M.D. Sebastian, and mother, Srimati Gracie Sebastian. The Honorable former Chief Justice, Shri A.J. Desai, was very kind to me. The collegium comprises of the former Chief Justice, Shri A.J. Desai, Honorable Mr. Justice Muhammad Mushtaq, and the Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Jayashankar Nambiyar, recommended by name for elevation. Honorable the Chief Justice of India and other honorable members of the Supreme Court Collegium favored and reposed faith in me. I am grateful to all of them. I am indebted to all the teachers who imparted knowledge during my school and college days and played a major role in shaping my intellect and character. After obtaining graduation in law, I started my practice as a junior of Advocate K.T. Thomas, an illustrious legal luminary at Thodupuzha. His guidance illuminated my early steps in advocacy, instilling invaluable principles that shaped my journey. He was very generous in entrusting cases among the juniors, including me, and the same helped me a lot while practicing independently as a lawyer and later when served as a district judge. I am grateful to him as well as to my cousin brother, Advocate Sebastian Joseph, who took me to the chamber of my senior to start practice. I extend my profound gratitude to the retired district judge, Shri R. Rehu, who was always ready to help me in dispelling my legal doubts on legal points during my tenure as a district judge. I am indebted to my loving wife, Advocate Dahlia Joseph, whose sacrifice have enriched my life and career. I express gratitude to my siblings, Jency Sebastian and Jason Sebastian, also to my children, Teresa, Elizabeth, and Joseph D. Jobin, for their love, care, and affection, fostering a deep sense of security and belonging. I cherish the sincere support rendered by the senior and junior judicial officers and the staff members in the district judiciary, the registrars, joint registrars, deputy registrars, and the assistant registrars in the High Court, and the staff members who have been with me in the registry. I am very much aware about the responsibilities of the judgeship. I know my limitations. I assure that in my humble way, I will put in all efforts to discharge my responsibilities as a judge. I would like to request the cooperation and support of each member of the bar in dispelling my duties and assure that I will do my best to meet the demands of this noble office and will do justice to the oath I have taken. I conclude. Jai Hind.
May I now invite Honorable Mr. Justice P.B. Balakrishnan for the reply speech.
Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Nitin Jamdar, my brother and sister judges, respected former judges, respected Advocate General, President of the Kerala High Court Advocates Association, Chairman of the Bar Council of Kerala, senior advocates and members of the bar, registrars and other officers of the court, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely honored and blessed to assume this august office with the blessings and good wishes of many. I was born into a family with lineage to law, and many, including my father, grandfather and uncle, were part of the legal fraternity. Since my father was a member of the district judiciary, I had the opportunity to pursue my education in several districts across Kerala, including Ernakulam. After completing my pre-degree, I joined the 5-year law course at Kerala Law Academy, Tirunelveli in 1992, and upon completion, I pursued my post-graduation in law at the Cochin University. I began my legal career by joining Murikan and Mangot, a firm headed by late Sri Jacob Murikan and Sri Mangot Ramakrishnan. Under the mentorship of these esteemed personalities, I got molded into the profession. Late Sri Jacob Murikan, Sri Mangot Ramakrishnan and Sri Dinesh Matthew Murikan, son of late Sri Jacob Murikan, were the torchbearers of my journey, and without their able guidance, help and support, I would not have been here now. They gave me the invaluable opportunity to study and handle cases across diverse areas, and even during my initial stages itself, they entrusted files having high stakes with me and gave me the assurance and confidence that you can do it. I was also well supported by Advocate Clerk Sri Salam, through whom I acquired considerable information and tips regarding the procedural formalities in courts. I have no doubt that if Sri Jacob Murikan were alive today, he would be the happiest person to see me in this position. I am certain that even now he is watching me and showering his blessings from his heavenly abode. In this moment, I also cannot forget my parents, wife, children and sister, who have been the unwavering pillars of support for me through my challenges and joyful moments in my career. Their love, encouragement and blessings made it possible for me to aspire to and achieve this esteemed position. I must also acknowledge the help and guidance I received in my profession from my relative and senior advocate Sri V. Kumar of Manjeri Bar and senior advocate Sri Vaidyanathan of Chowkat Bar, who was my father's junior. When I reflect upon my 15 years I spent as a member of Kerala High Court Advocates Association, my parent bar, every member of this esteemed association has contributed to my learning journey, and many of the senior members from my time are now senior judges of this honorable court. I also got able support from the members of the High Court Advocates Clerks Association during my tenure here. My career as a judicial officer began in March 2014 when I was posted as Additional District Judge Tirunelveli. Thereafter, I worked as a Special Judge CBI Court Tirunelveli, Additional District Judge in Kozhikode, Additional District Judge Mavelikara, Principal District Judge Kasaragod, and was back in Tirunelveli again as Principal District Judge, from where the doors opened for me to this august office. At this juncture, I extend my gratitude to the Collegium of Honorable High Court of Kerala, headed by Justice Ashish Jitendra Desai, along with Honorable Justice Mohammad Mustaq and Honorable Justice Jayashankar Nambiar, as well as to the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court, led by Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and comprised of Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Honorable Justice B.R. Gawai, for finding me suitable and recommending me for this position. Throughout my career, I have received support from judicial officers, advocates, staffs and advocate clerks. I also had the rare and fortunate opportunity of serving Lord Sri Padmanabha for the last 3 years, since he destined me for the same, which I very much consider as a blessing. I am keenly aware of the constitutional responsibilities entrusted to me by this appointment, and I am also fully conscious of my limitations. I conclude by praying to the Almighty to grant me the strength and courage to uphold truth and justice. Jai Hind.
Now, with permission, the swearing-in ceremony is declared over, and the sittings of the Honorable Court will commence at 11:30 a.m.